Hi everyone, I'm back into my channel. It's weird to film. I just had matcha, went to the town, met my friends, and I came back and it was like, you know what? I just need to start filming. So I'm back. I have been away for so long. I was sick, and then you know when you stop doing something, it's so hard to go back. I'm back. This is my first vlog after I was away for so long. The first thing that I wanted to say is welcome if you're new to this channel. I'm Violetta and I make handmade hair scrunchies, headbands, and all that stuff. So it's a small business, everything is handmade, and that's what I show in this channel. Another thing, I don't know if you noticed who used to follow me, that I changed the name. It's not anymore Handmade by Violetta, it's Kamvio. It's the like mixture of my name and my surname. I wanted something more adult sounding of the brand name, more professional maybe. That's why I changed, and I really like it. I think that's what I needed. Last week I was in Lithuania, went to a fabric shop that I wanted for so long to visit, so I did visit while I was visiting my friend. And it's in the capital, so it's not in my town. Yeah, it's a really big fabric shop. I was really overwhelmed with everything, but what I really like that you can feel the fabric and you can the texture really nicely and everything. So I picked a couple of designs of the fabric. I didn't buy a lot. I have a lot of old fabric that I need to use up. I'm really excited what I got. I will show you in a second, but I need to make some products with those and start promoting. Another thing that I want to do is I wanted to start putting ads. Why? I think it's an amazing thing for summer for me to start putting ads on my products and promote that way and get traffic to the website. I know through social media it's really hard to grow, especially if you are not consistent, and I'm not consistent. You need to post like 3 to videos a day. I just don't have that time. I don't remember if the last video I told you I'm a social media manager now, so I manage other people's accounts and other people's businesses, so I don't have full time just for my own business. Let me show you the new fabrics that I got. Okay, I don't know which way it will be nice if you can you see. So this one, so now green is really in, and this is like pistachio, you know that color, yeah, but it's much more lighter. So I think this would be really nice bridesmaid, wedding guests, like presents and whatnot. So this is the fabric. It has silver and green thread, and it's really light green. I don't know if you can see, but I got this. I wanted to have a mixture like plain fabric and with some my head print. Yeah, so this has really nice print. It has yellow, green, so more subtle but at the same time really nice pattern. And I got this one, so it's a green with the flowers. And the last three, got this. Of course I had to get something violet or like purple. I'm always obsessed with it. Similar like the green one, it has like a silver thread again with purple. Then I got this one, so it's like palm trees, palm leaves, not palm trees, palm leaves with the green background. I can see the theme. I love the green. And when I was like checking out, I saw this one, so it's like peachy pink. So with all of these fabrics, I'm thinking to make scrunchies, headbands, barrettes. And another thing that I'm trying new product is, so I just made yesterday some headbands, my most popular ones of course. So for example, this one is the thicker base and this one is the thinner one. Still haven't finished them fully, but one, and this is, don't want to make them dirty, but this is the thicker one, this is the thinner one. So yeah, my face looks so orange, I'm sorry. But the new product that I was talking about, it will be scrunchy, thin scrunchy. I haven't made yet. It will be thin scrunchy like that with a rose on the top. So I was testing how much fabric I would need, like how to make, you know, that I like when it looks more puffy and just more fuller. So I was just looking how the rose looks with that much fabric, and yeah, so this is my idea. So this would be headband with the rose. So that's my new product that I'm gonna do. So maybe from some of these fabrics I will be able to do crunchy rose, like from this fabric. maybe I will be able to do. Like with this one, I won't, because I would need to put interfaces and everything, and it's just too thin to make a rose. It would take me so long to make, so I'll just use a thicker fabrics for that kind of design. But yeah, enough talking. I talked for 10 minutes. Sorry that I talked way too quickly. I think it's just because more attention to me, and just like I just want to tell everything quickly that you won't need to watch me for too long. But yeah, that's all. Let's get cracking. Let's get starting work. I'm starting with probably doing some headbands of the new product first, and then maybe we'll do a little TikTok live in the evening, and we'll finish up the headbands. I don't know why, but I just don't do it at all when I'm sewing on TikTok, because the sound of the sewing machine kind of like, people don't like that. And when I braid the headbands, it's just like it takes me so long to make them nice. Just like I can't focus on the comment and doing the braid. But when I do the endy bits for the headbands, then it's easy. It's like the last bits I can do the live with that. So I'm just saving the headband last bits to make on TikTok live. So yeah, I'm struggling with the content for Instagram. I know it has to be more sleek and more nice, but I can't figure out what kind of content I should post. I'm a little bit struggling, but I'll need to figure out something with that. If you have any ideas, drop it below. If you have any content creators that you watch and you like to watch your content, definitely share down below, and please give me suggestions on the fabric names that I could name products basically. So that's all. I'm leaving you now, and let's go do the sewing.
Custom net, like a small bit of tiny, and I'm always looking at people that are doing similar things to what I'm doing, and I think there's nothing wrong with seeing people, if you want to be successful in a certain field, who's doing what you want to do. Okay, they're doing it. Okay, what they're doing, just kind of emulate what they're doing and make it better. I mean, and even eating your own content collection. So again, I'm trying to relate it back to my business. But just, yeah, whatever I see online is doing well, whatever I've got in stock, pretty creative to be fair. And he's actually been kind of pinballing ideas to me.
Having some salad and waiting for a live branding video. And for my personal brand, of course, I can't forget it. I need to post. Too much social media accounts to manage.